Okay, hi guys. How was your day today? I hope it was nice. Okay, the markets opened in the green today. Actually, 74,077 was wow. 74,702 पे Sensex खुला था and 22,573 पे Nifty opened. So it seemed that the day would be good. But of course, every bounce is now being taken with skepticism and a little disbelief, and the mood is kind of shaken in the markets. Today, the markets broke 29-year-old record of today was expiry also, the series expiry also, February series expiry also. So today it broke a 29-year record of consecutive negative uh, opening and close. So this is after 1996. I was in school. I was not tracking markets at all. So this is actually uh, many of uh, the advisors, they are also seeing this in their career for the first time. Okay, but there's a big but. There is, I'm not saying it's, oh my god, it is very bad and all. ऐसा नहीं है, because the valuations had gone up so much that even now, despite the market has corrected a lot, that faith is not back in the market. So the other, the Trump tariffs, they are adding to the fuel to the fire. Of course, Abhi, just the news has come in the morning. The thing was that those tariffs which Trump has announced, they would come into effect from April 1st. But just now the news has poured in that he has confirmed that the tariffs on China and Mexico would be from March 4. And actually, the China would have an additional 10% of tariffs. Okay, so this is what he's saying. And from MAGA to MAGA, making America great again, to making America rich again. Those are gold cards and all, citizenship and all that he's selling. So so every day there's something new announcement that is really, I think, the main, I would say, thing which people look for before the market opening. रात में क्या हुआ करके ऐसे करके. But apart from that, other things are the same as they were on Wednesday, Tuesday. Today's Thursday. Yeah, Tuesday. So apart from that, yes, RBI is doing its thing. RBI has kind of given this weight, risk weight कम कर दिया है RBI ने for the banks giving loans to NBFCs, जिसकी वजह से today the banking stocks were up. The bank in Nifty was up today. It was rallying, and it was up, I think, 3% up, बंद हुआ. And that was the RBI is doing its bit. The government has already done its bit. But why the market is down? Well, the market is down because the valuations and the FIIs are still not buying. They're still selling. Today, I think the FII selling is a little large, less है, 557 crore rupees है, worth selling net, worth selling, and DIIs have bought 1,727 worth. DIIs are continuously buying. And where is this buying happening? Because buying हो रहा है, buying हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है buying? Buying हो रहा है large caps में, और ये buying हो रहा है select mid cap stocks में. Okay, I think most of the people are not agreeing to small caps. That is facing the brunt. Today, actually, the mid caps were also down. The mid cap index was also down today. So this buying is majorly happening in the large caps, definitely in the financials. Today, the buying happened in the NBFCs and all these. So all the NBFC stocks were up. If I'll tell you the names of them, uh, you know, almost सब ऊपर थे आज. I'll tell you the names. Uh, अच्छा FNO exclusions भी थे, they were down today. Okay, where are the names? Hmm, where is the slide? I've made a slide. Where is the slide? Okay, I have written here also. Okay, so all the NBFCs were up. Star was up. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB, Federal Bank, uh, Bank of Baroda, SBI. All the banking stocks they were up, and other newsmakers were, of course, Ultratech. The story of the day. Ultratech is entering the cables and wires business. Well, well, well. This news came in the morning, and it was like the KEI, all the wires in cable stocks, they actually fell, and the managements were quick to uh, you know give interviews and all that, oh, they will not affect so much the existing cables and wire companies and all that. But do you remember the same thing was said when Birla Opus was launched? Okay, Asian Paints, the management said that, oh, they will take time. Birla will take time to understand the market, and then gradually have some. Many people have already come. Indigo वगैरह का नाम लिया था. But you see what Birla Opus has done. It has actually dented the Asian Paints market. So, well, I'm not saying anything that this scare is real or whatever, but I'm saying, Birla is a Birla House is a serious competitor, you know. So I think the market gauged that, and that's why the cables and wires stocks really fell today. Okay, there was huge corrections in Havels, Polycab, KEI. All these stocks were uh, down majorly. Okay, which slides am I seeing? हाँ वही तो मैं बोलूँ, आज के तो नाम ही नहीं है ये जो स्लाइड मुझे दिख रहे हैं. So KEI was down 21%. RR Cable was down. RR Kabil was down 19%. Polycab was down 18.8, almost 19%. Havels was down 7%. Finolex Cables was down 6%. Okay. And okay, and here RBI relief package wala. Credit Access Bank was up 9%. AU Small Finance Bank was up 6%. Oh, this light is really hurting my eyes. Shriram Finance was up 5%. L&T Finance was up 4%. M&M Financial was up 3.919%. Okay, so these were uh, the major movements which were happening in the market today. Okay, FNO in exclusion हुआ, 16 stocks बाहर हो गए. गुजरात गैस है उसमें, सन टीवी है, पीवीआर आइनॉक्स है. दिस वाज एक्चुअली डूइंग वेल. This Gujarat gas was also doing well. City distribution gas companies were doing well day before yesterday. No, actually on Monday. City Union Bank was down. GNFC was down. Varun Beverages was down today. I think, yeah, Vedanta was down. Uh, आज advanced decline ratio was 503 stocks were advancing as compared to 2170 decline. Hmm. Ultratech, I've already said, trend was down today again. It was again down. It is again to that 4,000 levels. Bajaj Auto was down. Auto stocks were down today. M&M was down. PVR Inox was down. Tata Motors was down. Tata Motors का तो बहुत बुरा हाल है. Hero Motors was down. Okay, all these stocks were really they really had a very bad day today. Real estate stocks were also down today. Prestige Estate 5%. Phoenix Mills 2.8%. Mahindra Life Bases 3%. Raymond 2%. Godrej Properties 3%. So this these were the stocks which were uh, down today, and I'm not saying kal kya hoga, but aaj they were down because people were mainly buying into NBFCs and banks today. And bank index, I already said, bank index was uh, really, bank nifty was really up. Okay, so what is this Ultratech story? Well, Ultratech is entering the cable and wires. They've announced this, and this is currently, if we look at the industry, let's look at the industry because I said it's not small thing that you can't take Birlas for granted because they proved it in the paint segment. Anyway, the cement, uh, they are into cements and all. The Ultratech is a cement company. उसका ROC ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 8 से 9% होता है. So anyone who's studying the market and all that, wires and cables have generally a ROC level of 13% or something like that, even though road levels. That's why probably now they're expanding into paints में चले गए, cement हो गया, और cables and wires में चला गया because they already know that cables and wires run into everything. Hmm. Yeah, hello, hi, राधे राधे मैम, राधे राधे. अब भगवान का ही नाम लो, ओम नमः शिवाय, ये सब नाम लो भी, भगवान ही बचाएंगे अभी. Okay, so this Ultratech thing, what is their plan? 1800 crores they are going to initially. This is the initial capex for 2 years, and this is they'll fund through internal accruals and borrowings, and also this will be set up. This okay. I'm just quickly talk about this Ultratech thing. You should know this. This plant would be set up in Bharuch in Gujarat. Okay, so it is also this as a Gujarat connection. Okay, then you have this plant would be commissioned by 2026, will be December. That's why many of the brokerages and these cables and wire companies are also saying that अभी से क्यों डर रहे हो ये वो and all that. It will take time, 3 to 5 years actually. So this is 2025. This plant would be commissioned by the Bharuch plant would be commissioned by December 2026. So actually it is not 2 to 3 or to 5 years, but they are saying that 3 to 5 years because this is cables and wires industry is not as easy as paint industries. This paint industry, this requires a lot of licenses and approvals and all that. This is what they are saying. But well, this Ultratech aims to extend the footprint in construction value chain, and also this is what the company has said. If you look at the cables and wire industry, then FY24 May, this has currently the CAGR of 11 to 13%, which I already told you. Okay, by FY29, this cables and wire industry will be around 3 lakh crore rupees. 2029, FY 2029, okay. एंड एक्सपोर्ट्स अगर मिक्स करें तो इसका 10% जो है वो FY24 में 10% इज एक्सपोर्ट्स. Okay, and also export growth is also around 10 to 11% CAGR. See, this is a more lucrative industry than cement industry. Okay, and also इसका globally भी इसका 7.5% कैगर है आई थिंक. Yeah, 7.5% global CAGR hai. Okay. Now, what are the growth drivers of this? Why are they entering? Building and construction, data centers, cloud computing, renewable capacity addition, and EV charging infra. ये तो छोटे मोटे कुछ हैं जो समझ पाए हम लोग. But otherwise, you need cables and wires for everything. Okay. Yeah, that is the thing. Growth triggers by 2030 of this cables and wires industry. Global electricity is 2 times. Uh, EU's power capex is around $1.6 trillion. AI and cloud investment is around $49 billion. And this is a this is I if I would be in this I would have entered it much earlier. Okay, Okay, market share of the existing players. Polycab is the biggest, uh, which has the biggest stake in the market. 17% उसका है. उसके बाद आता है Havels, 7.3%. KEI का है 7%. RR Kabil का है 4.9%, and Finolex is 5.6%. That's why Polycab was actually took the biggest hit today because उसका market सबसे ज़्यादा effect होगा after this Ultratech thing comes in. Okay, so this is this Ultratech story that you know this is this one big. There were two big stories today. One Ultratech entering the cables and wire thing, and the other is RBI reducing the risk weightage for the banks, because of which I'll close this window. This is confusing me quite a lot. Okay, now we'll talk about this slowdown, this market fall. Okay, so this sell-off, which has broken records, 20-year record तोड़ा, अब 28-year record तोड़ा, अब 29-year record भी तोड़ दिया है. अब क्या होगा? This, what is there any specific reason? No, the reasons are still the same. The reasons which were in 3 months back, the reasons which were 2 months back, and the reason which is now. One is the tariff war thing. The second one is relentless selling by the FIIs. Even Chris Wood has said that I have sold India. I've sold all the equities in India. Even he's saying that he's been a major advocate of India, Indian economy, Indian markets. And he's said that though I'm bullish on India, but currently I have sold India. Why? Because of the valuations. Even though they have correct. अच्छा ये वही लोग हैं, Chris Wood and all that, including who were buying India. ऐसा नहीं कि suddenly someone was actually asking me that, you know, everyone is talking about valuations now, even though the markets have corrected so much. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि suddenly valuation बढ़ गए. Valuation तो कोविड के टाइम पे भी ज्यादा थे, उसके बाद ये 3-4 साल में भी ज्यादा थे. But still then, अभी क्या हुआ? अभी ये हुआ है कि the other markets, China plus one जो था advantage which was there after post COVID, that has kind of settled down a little bit. Plus, the US dollar has become strong. Third point, US जो US investors हैं, they are investing in their own economy. I've done a series of lives on this, that why they are investing in the US. China might already told you the Chinese tech earnings have given good results, though their real estate is still in doldrums, but their tech companies have done well, and that's why there's now a call for the tech uh, companies in India to do well. Okay, and also corporate earnings have been weak. So till we have the corporate earnings for the fourth quarter, the final quarter of this financial year, people will be selling. FIS will be selling. They are watching out for the fourth quarter selling. Okay, and also economic uncertainty I've already said. Okay, so Nifty 50 and Sensex have already fallen 4% for January, February alone, and now their decline is around 14% and 13% percent from their peak in September. सितंबर में 85 था सेंसेक्स, 85 टच कर गया था. ओके, अभी 74 पे है. ओके, and also this streak is rare actually. Small cap has fallen 14% and mid cap have fallen 19%, or mid cap have fallen 14%. No, yeah, small cap has fallen 14%, mid cap has fallen more, 19%. Okay, so this is this is a time to be patient. Someone was saying that you know people who are investing now, they would be smiling after 2-3 months. I don't see 2-3 months mein hoga ye. I think it will take a much longer time. The pain will last, as uh, some of the people I really follow and I believe they say that. I also feel so that the pain will not. But yes, I think the majority of the worst is over. You know, I think now because um, most of the corrections have kind of happened, and the market has kind of digested the बहुत जो high overvaluation था stocks का, especially in the small and the mid caps. That I think the market has digested. Also, there's one more thing. U.S. jobless claim data has come out, and that is not good. It has shown 242,000 of jobless claims in the US, which is highest since December. Okay, uh, this will come. This will show its effect tomorrow in the market. Okay, this is the first time that claims in US have surged more than the expected levels, and this is a increase of 22,000 from the previous week, and also the number of people receiving unemployment benefits for the week ending February declined by 5,000 to 1.86 million, according to decreased or increased. Sorry. Okay. So now, see, if you impose tariffs on others and you keep threatening others, I think your economy will also be affected. Okay. But yes, despite of all this, well, as I said, this would he has said that I have sold India, but he is saying that he will be back. He's waiting for the markets to correct a little further. That's why I'm saying that the pain is likely to continue for some more time. So what can one do? Please keep paying your SIPs. Please participate in the market indirect way. Don't go for stocks, and definitely trading to बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. Okay, and also this sell off, even he's saying that okay, I'll read what he's saying. Heavy lifting on capex investment is being done by the Indian government, but it's a relay race and the private sector needs to take the bet on it. However, at this point markets seemingly don't believe that private sector will do so. That is correct, and many people are now criticizing the private sector that they are not doing enough because the government has done its bit. आरबीआई भी कर रहा है, अभी भी कर रहा है. Government has cut taxes for the people to give a consumption boost. Now the private sector has to kick in. Okay, I mean they have to really do their bit, and also there's some new targets actually. बीच में ऐसे भी कुछ stocks हैं which have good targets. Like Jeffries has given a target 1,000 for Jubilant Food. Okay, then UBS has given a buy rating for Airtel. Then you have Bajaj Finance also has a new target of 8750, and Ashok Leland also has a new target of 240. So there are some, कुछ stocks तो अच्छे हैं, अच्छे रहेंगे. HDFC AMC को जेफरीज ने अच्छा टारगेट दिया है, बाई रेटिंग दिया है, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टीकागढ़ वेगन है ये. No, no, it's not so good. I can't. Sometimes I can't understand my own language, my own handwriting. Okay, so well, what will happen tomorrow? I hope tomorrow we don't see some more announcements by Trump. What is happening is, I think Dow is up, Nasdaq is up, and even I'll just confirm. Mm, yes, Dow is up because of Nvidia. Nvidia's earnings have come good, so because of that, Dow is up, S&P and Nasdaq are also. All of them are up. Okay, Nvidia के अच्छे आए हैं results. Okay, so tomorrow I expect a flat opening. We are seeing this Dow rally and all that, but this is अभी तो खुला है market. It opened actually 43,506 per. Abhi it is 43,666. Okay, so it is also going up and down. Let's see how it closes. Dow Jones. Okay, and apart from that, if you have anything to ask, yes, the call is cautious. The mood in the market is flattish. I don't want to use pessimistic because the foreign brokerages are saying we are positive on India and all that, but they are not investing still. They are waiting for markets to further correct, especially the small and mid caps. They want them to further correct. Okay. What else? NBFC stocks and all, they are doing well. They were expected to do well, and they are doing well with more RBI benefits. Okay. So this is where I'll end this live. This is after a lot of days that I'm doing live at this time. So I'm feeling a little sleepy. Hmm. But I'll continue to do live at this time only. Tomorrow I'll see you at 10. I'll try to do at 9:30 or something. Ma'am, please read comments also. Okay, I'm reading comments. I am. I said hello. I said Radhe Radhe. I also read comment. Yeah. I Sam. I'm reading the comments. Let me know what you feel like. What do you say? I want to hear what you people think about the market. What is the market doing? Why is it doing? How are you people doing? Because Gen Z has not seen this market. The people who opened their accounts in the last 3 4 years, they have not seen this kind of markets. Um, I have seen a bit of this thing, but and majority of the people in the markets are the people who are this post COVID thing. So how are you feeling about the market? I want to know. Gen Z, as per my understanding, they do not believe in investing in real estate. Their investment methods are different from the others. They believe in investing in experiences. They believe in investing in buying new gadgets, and they believe in investing in travel. Okay, so I don't know how they are faring because I think almost all the portfolios are showing the red because all of us picked up a lot of mid caps and small caps, and those are not doing well. They've been brutally crushed, except for the large caps and for the bank stocks. Otherwise, most of them have had very, very bad falls. So let me know how are you faring? How is your portfolio looking? Because I really want to know how are the people on the ground feeling. Okay, you can put that in the chat box below. You can let me know, and anything specific if you want me to talk about, let me know. I would be having someone for the Women's Day on 8th. She's a financial advisor. So we'll be asking her if you have any questions. Yes, you can post your questions. Right in the description box below. I'll ask her. She can answer your questions. And also then I'll be talking to one financial advisor about the portfolios and all that. But yes, definitely don't stop your steps. Keep investing through your mutual funds. I know the mutual funds are also not showing very good returns. So, okay. But, you know, fortune favors the brave. Like saying, you know, I believe in the India story. There is a very good reason to do so. And uh, we also believe in the India story. Even the foreigners are, I'll tell you one thing. Citigroup ने 26,000 का निफ्टी का टारगेट दिया है. I think I've already said this by December. Okay, despite of this thing, uh, 30,000 का भी निफ्टी का level है in a very bullish scenario. You know that is also there. Okay, I had this one data. Um, where did I put it? इधर गया. Which was kind of a सीरीज में वो कितना गिर गया तो छोड़ दो उसे. आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी डीमोटिवेटिंग. बट There was this figure which I had, which despite of so much of fall, we cannot say that we are still in a bull market or bear market as far as the Sensex and the Nifty go. Okay, small cap is definitely in bear market. मिड कैप भी धीरे धीरे जा रहा है बट अभी निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स अभी भी नहीं है. I lost that. I don't know where I saved it. This that that figure which I had. So so there is some hope floats. So let's see. So I'll talk to you tomorrow, and we'll do the weekly wrap. Already this 29 years ka. I was hoping that this doesn't get broken, but anyway, this is also. Let's see. This will only make us stronger. We'll come out stronger of this. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow, and if you have any questions or something which you want me to ask the advisor, then we can chat and discuss. I would be talking to her soon, and I'll record that video because she doesn't want to. I don't know if she is free or not. When I do live, I don't know. Then I would be able to talk to her. So I'll try to do this. I'll try to record it, but I can ask her the questions. You can post them in the chat box below. ओके. सो अच्छा, निफ्टी का सपोर्ट है अभी भी 22396 पे, और रेजिस्टेंस अभी भी 23 350 पे. जिस दिन ये 323 350 क्रॉस करेगा ना, आई विल really crack an RL. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm a bit sleepy. I'm so sorry. I think am I looking sleepy? Yeah, I am looking sleepy. Tomorrow I'll be better. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day. Good night, and please take care of yourself. Bye.